Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today was another green day. Oh man, I'll take it. Every day, I'll take it. Anyways, today we're gonna cover Tesla, Coinbase, Bitcoin, and Berkshire. Let's start with Tesla. So we finally freaking did it. We broke this freaking massive level 4 downtrend we've been on for ages and ages ago. If we look closely, we've been on this area for the past 46 days, guys, and then we encountered this downtrend for the past 31 freaking days, pretty much a freaking month since we've been struggling to break this, and now we broke it, and holy cow, we had a nice freaking pop. And the best part is, you can see not only we use this as a support and we bounce off of it, classic indicator of a bull pop. To tell you the truth, that's some relief right there, because I needed this. I still have a decent amount of money on Tesla still, but now I can deleverage a little bit here and there and take some profit. Alright, now let's move on to Coinbase. So Coinbase finally broke this level 5 downtrend we were on, and now we are getting close to this overall level 3 downtrend. Now remember, if the market is an overall level, like when I say overall level, I'm talking about the average of the total of the downtrend. So if the overall level is 3 right now, we're gonna have a lot of resistance around that area. So if we touch it within the next 2 to 8%, there's a strong possibility that we might use this as the next leg down. So this is the danger area where if you get around this area, I would start taking some profit, honestly. But I'm not trading Coinbase, I am trading Bitcoin, which is what we're about to talk right now. And oh boy, we finally broke this level 2 downtrend we were on, and now, just like I said last week, we would have probably 8% to the upside, but hey, it went above and beyond. So we broke it quite easily. Yeah, this is looking really good for Bitcoin right now. We're doing a nice recovery. So our next struggle will be about 2%, because that's a major uptrend line. So if we start getting bounced off of this, that might not be such a good news, because this is supposed to be used as support, not resistance. We'll see how it reacts to it. But before we move on, let's update this downtrend to see where we're at. Alright, unfortunately, due to the large gap of uncertainty we have down there, it makes it hard to see exactly where we're at, because look at this. This is a level 2 downtrend, and look at how much of a big distance there is. And when we take a level 1 downtrend, you can see they're pretty close to each other because there's so much gap of uncertainty. So this is not looking too good as a way to measure, but fortunately, the overall downtrend is at a level 1, so we don't need any other measurement. We're just gonna use the level 1 as a main component of this downtrend. So we can say we are about 4% to the gap 2 and about 9% to gap 1. So those are gonna be the 2 major downtrend line we should look out for. Last but not least, let's check out Berkshire. So Berkshire is looking pretty good. We had a nice recovery. Now, if we enter this purple area, we're gonna have some resistance again. We got about 0.5 to 2% to the upside. But remember, this white trend line is also very powerful, and it's very likely, in my opinion, that we might have another leg down here, because if you look closely, that's a level 4 uptrend from the 2020 crash to 2022. So this measurement is very critical, because the market doesn't usually keep such a high level of uptrend, especially on a traditional stock like Berkshire. So to me, this is really surprising. We'll see what happened, but I would be very careful if we touch that white line. I would tend to take profit around those areas. Anyways, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.